The fastest way to waste Claude code is to start by asking it to build an app. A better model has 3 stages. Prove the workflow fits, build in small, reviewable loops, then pass launch gates before real users depend on it. Fit comes first. Choose work that is frequent, rule-based, fed by accessible data, and owned by one person who can review exceptions. If the process is still debated, customer-facing, or buried behind weak integrations, start assisted. Don't automate the ambiguity. Then build one verifiable layer at a time. Scope a task, test it against acceptance criteria, commit the working state, and only then add the next layer. Claude Code can accelerate scaffolding, standard integrations, and tests. People still own the valuable decision. What should change? What can fail? And who approves it? Before launch, check the written spec, repeatable environment, failure state tests, secret handling, handoff notes, and maintenance ownership. That's the difference between a demo and an operating system. Remember the rule: automate implementation, not uncertainty. The full checklist and build versus buy guide are in the article on arsum.com.